Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today I'm going to show you guys what's happening for the Bitcoin price, because for one more day the chart is looking so boring for the Bitcoin price. We are moving into this consolidation phase, and guys, you can clearly see for one more day we are challenging so hard this massive 28,000 resistance line, which, as I told you guys, you're gonna see this daily candle closing under the $28,000. This could be a bearish indication, but if you're gonna see any kind of a strength and push the price of Bitcoin above this $28,000, this could be a bullish indication. And do not forget that here we have a bull flag, a huge bull flag, that if you're gonna break this $28,308 and actually break and close the daily candle above that with a confirmation break, I mean, we're gonna have an imminent pump over $29,350 to retest the weekly resistance, and we're gonna move on into other resistance that we have ahead of us. And also, do not forget, in the 4-hour time frame, guys, we are forming this crucial symmetrical triangle which is going for a breakout. I told you about this symmetrical triangle 2 days ago, and you can clearly see that we are going straight for a massive breakout. Probably until Monday we're gonna see a huge breakout, and the reason of that is because we saw, guys, massive squeeze on the Bollinger Band, also in the daily time frame and also in the 4-hour time frame. You can clearly see that the Bollinger Band here squeezed a lot, so that could be either a break to the upside or a break to the downside, which I'm gonna tell you guys on this video with exactly price targets where we are going. If you would like to know all these things, guys, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like from you two things. The first thing is to smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much within this journey, and with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share your friends, share your social media, you actually help me so much within this journey. And the second thing is to follow me on Twitter, because I'm updating you with whatever is happening within the day on the crypto space, and I'm actually preparing you for all imminent moves on the Bitcoin price, so you don't want to miss these moves. So let's begin right now on the 4-hour time frame. This time I'm gonna start with this symmetrical triangle, because this is the most important pattern right now for the Bitcoin. Because, guys, you can clearly see that if we're gonna break this massive symmetrical triangle to the downside, this could be a potential massive dump straight into the $25,200. And as you remember, guys, I told you this is the most crucial support for the Bitcoin price, the $25,200, because if you're gonna break it and we're gonna move below that, then it could be obvious the retest of $20,000. We can see a massive drop to that kind low price for the Bitcoin price, I mean. And guys, there is also huge potential if we actually come back to this $25,200. If you look it in a bigger out zoom, there is a big potential to see a retracement here and bounce very strongly straight to $30,500 area. And here is the difference, guys, with a dump. Okay, if you see, guys, a big dump on that symmetrical triangle, because I forgot to show you that this symmetrical triangle has a technical price target, exactly this $25,200. If you're gonna see any massive dump straight through this massive $25,200, don't panic out, because there is huge potential to traders and whales gonna buy from that $25,200 and bounce the price straight to $30,500. Okay, guys, be very careful with that position. And obviously, as I told you, of course, there is the potential also to break this massive support. And if you're gonna see, guys, any kind of a breakout of this massive $25,200, personally, as a Chris, I'm gonna become extremely bearish again. Okay, so until then, as I told you, I remain neutral. I'm waiting for confirmations. I don't have any kind of direction the last couple of weeks on the Bitcoin price, because we are exactly in the middle of $25,200 and $30,500. And from the other side, guys, if we're gonna break to the upside, because of obviously there is that kind of scenario in our table to break this symmetrical triangle to the upside at $28,430, which is exactly this point, you're gonna see with your eyes that we have here a technical price target which is above the most crucial resistance for the Bitcoin price, which is exactly the $31,000, and the most crucial resistance that I told you is the $30,500. And guys, you can clearly see that if we're gonna see this breakout with a confirmation on this resistance of this symmetrical triangle, we can get straight to this $31,000 by breaking every kind of resistance that we have ahead of us. And if you ask me, Chris, what's those resistance? Guys, I'm gonna remind you again that the most crucial resistance that we have ahead of us is, first one is the $28,000, which is a daily resistance. Then we have this massive weekly resistance, which is forming, and it's really strong, and it's gonna determine if we actually gonna retest the $30,000 or not, $30,500 or not. And guys, if we also gonna break this weekly resistance, then we have the last resistance, which obviously if we're gonna break the $30,500 resistance, then guys, there is a massive potential to see the beginning of the bull run. My justification of that is exactly because this $30,500 resistance, guys, was previously the biggest support for the Bitcoin price back on the bull run, and you can clearly understand with a basic of technical analysis that if we're gonna actually surpass the previous support, which right now we are retesting it as a resistance, this could be a potential flip on the current bear market to a bull run. Okay, and guys, here I would like to add something, that there is big potential to see this kind of a pump and break this massive resistance of $30,500 to stay above, because the adoption. Otherwise, if we were in a situation that we were before the adoption, which the banks collapsed and we saw Bitcoin pump, which was something that shocked everybody, that we saw adoption on the Bitcoin while the banks collapsed, and also Bitcoin at that time decoupled from the SP 500, which is something historical special. Guys, if we hadn't watched all these things of that kind of adoption, guys, till now I could remain bearish, okay? But with those things, I changed my direction, and it's obvious because in the current situation there is a big potential to furthermore banks into a collapse, and that of course could potentially pump the Bitcoin price furthermore. And as I showed you guys the bull flag, if we're gonna break the $30,500, we have a technical price target at $37,000, and this technical price target is because of that bull flag that we are forming here, and we're gonna still forming for, as you can clearly see, probably the next coming days. Because guys, even if we won't close this daily resistance above the $28,000 and we're gonna experience some dump, there is massive support at $27,000, exactly the $27,000. So there is a potential to come back to this $27,000 and bounce and get again upwards. Also, there is this potential scenario to play out. Okay, and the reason also that I told you that we are going for a massive move is because, guys, the Bollinger Band, as you can clearly see, is squeezed a lot on the 4-hour time frame, and also on the daily time frame, you can clearly see it's squeezed 2 days ago. And this could be a potential pump either to the upside or either to the downside. Okay, I would like to show you the MACD indicator, which, as you can clearly see on the monthly time frame, is going for a flip. The last time that we saw a flip into bullish territory, it was actually the bull run. But you can clearly see that the time that we saw this death cross, we actually jump into this bear market. So in the opposite way, as we saw back here when we saw the flip on this bullish territory, if we're gonna see, guys, any kind of flip in the next coming months or at the end of this month, this could be this golden cross could be the officially beginning of the bull run. And I believe, of course, this kind of flip is going to happen if we're going to break this $30,500 area and stay above it in our area, let's say $34,000, $35,000 and prices like that. And that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question about the things that we analyzed. And I will see you all tomorrow with my fresh updates on the Bitcoin price. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.